Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your YouTube channel from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your YouTube channel on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in youtube.com like this and enter. And let's let the page load. And after the page loads, you need to know one thing, that is you need to log into your account which is authenticated to the channel you want to delete. And for me, this is my Gmail account of which I want to delete my channel, or which I want to delete the channel that's been authenticated to this channel. Now to delete your channel, on this you can see the settings option available after clicking on your profile picture icon on the bottom side of the screen. Click on settings, and after that, over this interface you can see the advanced settings available at the left side of your screen. Click over there, and on this interface you will able to see your user ID, your channel ID, whereas there is the delete channel option available over here. Click on delete channel, and the YouTube will require to enter the password of your email ID which you had authenticated to your channel. After entering your password like this, because my password has been already auto-filled by my computer, I'll be not typing it. Let's click on next. And because I have authenticated my mobile, or I have turned on the two-way factor authentication, it will send a verification code when I click on get a verification code at my number. Let's click over there and let's wait for the code to arrive. Now I have received the code. Let's enter the code and let's click on next. And let's update the password over here, and after that you can see there are two options available. Or either you want to delete your content permanently. So since we want to delete our channel, let's click on I want to permanently delete my content, and after that let's click on these or accept the consequences by the Google itself. Now click on delete my content on the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can see your YouTube channel will be required to reconfirm your email. Let's go and enter our email address over here and click on delete my content, and you can see your content is being deleted. And if you have a lot of content, it will take a lot amount of days or some amount of time. And guys, this is how you delete your YouTube channel from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.